GIGO Clean or GIGO Clean. And we have a very enthusiastic founder here. Two founders, a pair, yeah, you can take one each, yeah, of course. But first, if you can provide the feedback for the team FlyShare. We'll take a minute. If you guys have forgotten, there's a QR code outside. I know some people might be in food coma still. So the QR code is there. Go to the events, put in 4/6/2023, put in your email address, and you'll be right back looking at all the company details and providing them valuable feedback and a way to connect with you all. With that, we are going to go pull up the pitch deck for GIGO Clean technology. So far, so good. One second.
Test the clicker.
See, when you set that, it stopped working. There.
So let's.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, all yours.
Hi, I'm Rajiv Jadhav.
Hi, I'm Beta Safari.
And we're GIGO Clean.
What is GIGO Clean, Rajiv?
GIGO Clean is an app that's going to change your life forever.
Oh, really? How?
Picture this for a moment. It's Friday night. You've invited all your friends over to your place for a house party. The music is jamming, people are drinking, they're having a jolly good time. The next day you wake up and your house is trashed. You have those red cups all over the floor. The Doritos and Cheetos are on the countertop and on the sofa as well. The place is a mess. And what's more, your parents are coming later on that day. So you have two choices. What do? Do you pick up a Tylenol to deal with a headache that you're about to have? Or do you go to your phone and you open the GIGO Clean app, book a couple of cleaners who will arrive at your doorstep in approximately 2 hours, clean up that mess like it's nothing, like it never happened before, and then go away so you can carry on the rest of your day with peace of mind.
We believe that is a massive opportunity for GIGO Clean. Cleaning industry is a very large industry. It reached to $97 billion in 2022. It gets divided into three groups. One, industrial, commercial, and residential. GIGO Clean aim to get 25% of 10% of California residential market in 24 months, which will be $77 million. We have two competitors, which are Clean and Tidy. The problem is, although the cleaning industry is so large, still it's getting managed so orthodox. So it's time for change. There is no app as sophisticated as GIGO Clean, and there is no on-demand, an app to offer on-demand services in California or anywhere in the US. The solution is GIGO Clean app. GIGO Clean is an Uber way of cleaning for residential cleaning. The app is so easy to use and it's free to download. There is no membership required, and all the cleaners are well trained. When a customer downloads the app, creates a profile, select the date and time, and gets connected to the available cleaners in the area by zip code, exactly like Uber. We have a provisional patent pending at this time.
So this is a massive, massive opportunity, like Veera just said. We're targeting 92,000 downloads in the next 36 months, which is expected to yield 154 million in revenue in 36 months. 36 months, just to clarify. A case in point, Simply Crystal Clean is our sister company, and that is a commercial cleaning company that's based right here in LA. And this company is on a crazy growth trajectory. In fact, this company is projecting to do 5 million revenue this year, which was more than double what it was last year, and last year's revenue was more than double what it was the year before. We're not saying this to brag. The reason that we're saying this is because we really understand what it means to run a cleaning company. The cleaning company that I'm mentioning, Simply Crystal Clean, has done any and all kind of cleanings you can think of. They've done commercial, they've done residential, they've done industrial. Whatever cleaning situation, they've done it. And we know cleaning extremely well. And there are 2 points that we're trying to make here. One, we know cleaning, and two, we know cleaning in the California market. The business model is very simple. This is an in-app purchase. Customers initially will open the app, book cleaners who will arrive and do all the cleaning. In the future, customers will also have the opportunity to buy industrial-grade cleaning products from inside the app, so that's going to provide additional revenue. And in the future, the app will also support in-app advertising, which will also drive additional revenues. This is our amazing team and board of advisors. As far as talking about our advisors briefly, we've got the best minds in the industry that encompass technology, law, finance, and operations. As far as me, small introduction. So prior to GIGO Clean, I was featured in the Guinness Book of Records for creating the world's largest marketing campaign for Unilever, for the Unilever's Lipton tea brand. The campaign was so successful that it sold out the product in retail nationally twice. And that resulted in wholesale orders doubling twice back to back. And this blew Unilever's mind because this was way more than they could have ever expected. In addition to that, I'm also a United Nations speaker and advisor who's solving homelessness right here in LA, as well as in Malawi, as well as Brazil. Bida?
And I'm Rita Safari. My educational background is in chemical engineering, but I have over 23 years of experience in management, focusing in service industry. I'm the founder of GIGO Clean Technology, president of Simply Crystal Clean. I'm also on the board of advisor for Moms Against Poverty, which is a non-for-profit, and we just received the Jefferson Award and Jacqueline Kennedy Award in 2022. At this time, we are asking for $1.25 million capital in SAFE. 70% will be allocated to marketing and customers acquisition, 20% to operation expenses, and 10% to phase 2 of product development. The app, by the way, is ready to download. It's on the App Store and Google Play. Please download the app.
As far as exit opportunities go, this is the biggest opportunity ever. We're forecasting 5 to 10x ROI when GIGO Clean goes national in the next 5 years as a national franchise. And we're also forecasting a 30x. Yes, you heard me, 30x ROI when GIGO Clean goes global in 10 years. Any questions? Now, I've been connecting with all of you on LinkedIn, and people are sending me a lot of questions on LinkedIn. One of the questions that came in is, they said, is this available in LA?
Yes, it is. It's available in LA and Orange County.
Okay, the next question that came in was, can you clean my roof?
Roof? I don't think so. You're interior cleaner at this moment. We can add exterior later on, but at this point, cleaners are cleaning inside the building.
Okay, the next question seems like it came from a troll, but I'm going to say it in any case. They said, can you walk my dog?
Walk your dog? Maybe later on we can add that to the picture. Yeah.
I have a question. So this gave me an idea. So we can party till midnight, call somebody on Uber, your app, and in the morning, the home is clean like nothing happened, right?
Nothing happened.
Awesome. So please, everybody have a party. Invite me, obviously. And have a party. Cleaning is on GIGO Clean, and you are giving a special to everybody today?
Yes, the first, when you download the app, there's a special price. Your first cleaning is for $19 only, $19 per hour per cleaner. Conditions apply, so please download the app.
Conditions apply. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Next up, we have Circu. Circu is the next I see him there. But yeah, let's do our bit. Please open up the website or the app, provide our feedback, and then we'll hand it over to Yanni.